YouTube, what's going on, guys? And today I'm going to be showing you a cool lock switch thing. You can put chest back there, whatever you want. So this is it. It's once I flip the two correct switches on that. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, or this one here will open up. I cannot tell you which one. I can tell you for sure that this one, that one, and that one definitely for sure not. So you do that one, and that one definitely not open up. So here we go. Wrong one. Wrong one again. Son of a piston. Not that one, 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 but it's this one. And this kind of reveals the wiring, so I don't really want to come in too much. But yeah. Now why don't I get on to show you guys this? Okay, that's just a redstone testing video, guys. I can't go on my belt for you. So I will do that here. Loveliness. Okay, so what you'll need is you have a black, lever, redstone torch. Nope, black is optional. Redstone definitely. Redstone repeater definitely. Sticky piston definitely. Here we go. Now we're just gonna get also any black you want. Kind of build the place to put your levers. This is gonna be kind of a fast build because I only have 15 minutes to do this, and it's a really hard thing to do. So yeah, here we go. Gonna do this. Alright. As you know, this would be blocked off. Okay. What I want to do is you want to do that there. 1, 2, do. Okay. Now we have that done, we have to do the hard part, which is the wiring from here. We need more room than that, so here we go. Just gonna do this. I'm gonna put that there. It's my block. I'm gonna start off this redstone wiring. That. That would be the bottom block. And we're gonna start the wiring like this. I just gonna put black there. Okay, I'm gonna see those. Then flip the switches on off. That'll happen. Okay, God, this trackpad sucks. Okay. Okay, now I'm just going to take our repeater, place it down, just leave it the way it is. You really don't need that. If you really want that, just place another switch in there. So turn it off. Do the same thing right here if you want. To open it, go in, and come out, close it. Building mechanics, that's how you build it. No. I mean, we already know what this is. What it would look like. Let's say if you had a secret room or something. Like if you for real had one, and you actually did this. You put in some either skulls and whatnot. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe for more. And yeah, peace out everybody. I love you all. That's Power Extraction, and I'm out.